Unexpected results of Boolean expressions in Python. Possible duplicate. Why does the expression 0 less than 0 equals 0 return false in Python? The following output from the Python 2 REPL confuses me. If 15, 10 equals true is evaluated as 15 greater than 10 equals true, the expression would simplify to print true equals true, which obviously evaluates to true. If 15, 10 equals true is evaluated as 15, 10 equals true, the expression simplifies to 15 false, which also evaluates to true. Both of these interpretations contradict the actual value of the expression false. I can understand 15, 1 equals true evaluating to true, since 1 equals true is true, but no interpretation of 15, 10 equals true makes sense to me. Summary: in Python 2, why does 15, 10 equals true evaluate to false? This is because chained comparison in Python, namely 15, 10 equals true, is actually evaluated as, which is false. On the other hand, 15, 1 equals true is the same as, which evaluates to true. To quote from the docs, unlike C, all comparison operations in Python have the same priority, which is lower than that of any arithmetic, shifting or bitwise operation. Also, unlike C, expressions like A less than B less than C have the interpretation that is conventional in mathematics. Comparisons yield Boolean values, true or false. Comparisons can be chained arbitrarily, e.g., x less than y equals z is equivalent to x less than y, and y equals z, except that y is evaluated only once, but in both cases z is not evaluated at all when x less than y is found to be false. Formally, if a, b, c, y, z are expressions in op1, op2, opt are comparison operators, then a op1b op2c, y op z is equivalent to a op1b and b op2c, and y op z, except that each expression is evaluated at most once. Note that a op1b op2c doesn't imply any kind of comparison between a and c, so that, e.g., x less than y greater than z is perfectly legal, though perhaps not pretty.
I believe you're unknowingly running into a neat feature of Python operators. Unlike C, expressions like A less than B less than C have the interpretation that is conventional in mathematics. True happens to be treated as 1 in this expression, i.e. But then replacing equals within a is greater than operator, we see how the new expression is true as per the rule quoted above.
Sorted out equals in string.